Hi everyone, this is my latest find, Vanica's AM solid-state pocket radio model F-21, made in Hong Kong. This I came across on online. Somebody was selling and it says it's never been used, so I thought to buy it. There is not much information available on this radio except Radio Museum. They say it's from 1975 and it's manufactured by Intertrading Limited Hong Kong. They were making with the different names basically. Let's see what is inside. Okay, this is a small leaflet. A world of sound in your hand. A few hints and instructions for the use of your new miniature transistor radio. Okay, this is the instructions. Nice, some helpful hints. And here is the radio. According to the previous owner, it's never been used. You can see here is the volume control and on-off switch, and this is the dial in kilohertz. Let's open it. Wow, it's in the pristine condition. This is a connector for 9-volt battery, small, for 0.25 watt only. This is the variable capacitor tuning gain condenser for tuning the stations. This red one is a oscillator coil, and yellow and black, they are the IF intermediate frequency transformers. And this is a output transformer. We can see we have two electrolytic capacitors here and here, and transistor is a push-pull circuit with the output transformer. So we can see 1, 2 transistor over there in the push-pull. 1, 2, 3 silicon transistors are there, so it's totally 5 transistor. This is a ferrite rod, and this is a tuning coil for medium wave coil. It's work as a antenna. It's a nice little radio, but I don't expect a big quality sound from that. And maybe we see if it working. So I have got a battery here for 9 volt. You can connect it. Oh yeah, we have a sound. Let's close it.
Whether that is Shabana Mahmood, whether it's West Streeting, whether it's Angela Rayner, whatever it might be, and say, do it now or get on board. And so far at least,
This is the BBC, I believe.
all I have to do is in the pan for 6 minutes, right? Bingo! Try the new Charlie Bigham's Asian pan-fried noodle range, handmade in my kitchen, pan-fried in yours. Comes to drama. This is a monumental moment of tension, vacation, and elation. The Premier League has it all, and this season you can hear it all on game day. TalkSport's essential Premier League destination. Get set for game day on TalkSport with Sky Sports. Watch more of your team in the Premier League or EFL on Sky Sports flexibly with a Now Sports membership. TalkSport travel with Subway. Now serving deliciously fluffy slides.
Let's see what else we can see.
At Junction 1 Kenwick Way at West Bromwich, in Hertfordshire, the M25 clockwise, long delays due to an accident from 24 Stag Hill to 25 Enfield and to Lancashire. At the expert online learning. Open University has over 200 qualifications to choose from. Business, psychology, computing, and many more. With tutor support and courses that fit around your life. Getting those in-demand skills employers are looking for isn't so far away. Search the Open University to find out more. Open University, the future is open.
Amazing, it's still working. For sure, this is not a high quality pocket receiver like the Philips and Sony they were making. So it's something made from the company in Hong Kong.
She resigned from Boris Johnson's cabinet famously after 35 hours in the job. So you've both been that kind crisis point before. Jimmy, I guess what there is lots of conversations going on behind the scenes. And it's quite...
This is a Radio Caroline, I think. I don't know. Look like here the variable capacitor has a short. That's why it's making the noise. So from 540 till 600 kilohertz, the variable capacitor is not working good.
Elegant has had a milliband apparently weeks ago, maybe was even sort of sowing the seed of that idea. And now you've had Shabana Mahmood come out and say, no, I'm not resigning, I'm sticking and doing the job. I've literally watched David Lammy, the Deputy Prime Minister, walk out of Downing Street, stand in front of the press corps and say, if anybody's up for it, then come on and have a go. But nobody...
There is also some station, but it's very weak. The music is playing.
By the way, he's unreal. Oh, so is he carrying Ben? So he absolutely carried Ben. So Ben, listen, I've watched smashed him and whoever he plays in before the semi-final. And he actually said to me, Rory, that's what he said. I said, Jay, where was you for the semi-final? He went, well, Jody had work.
So basically radios like that were mass produced in Hong Kong. That time Hong Kong was like China making the cheap stuff, and this is sort of like a toy radio. It's not a very high quality radio because Philips were making, and the Sony also they were making pocket radio, and they have a reception quality much better, and most of them they were working with a 2 AA size 1.4 volt battery, so on 3 volt only. So and the radios from Hong Kong they were always on the 9 volt battery, and some of them are also on 3 volt 2 of 1.5 volt. So components, if you see, circuit is very basic, but yeah, they use the common components, normal layout, one speaker, 2 transformers, and a couple of transistors, and you have a radio. And basically they have to put this coil on the ferrite on the, where it can receive a much louder signal, and they glue it.
Damn frustrating. Why is it going on that machine anyway, Jim? So missing a trick here. Surely you'd like sign of a misspent youth. You know the way around this. You've just got to make sure that you get when you're meant to put one coin in at the same time, like only one at a time. What you do is at the same time you get 4 or 5 in at the same time. They land and you will always win them. When was the last time you went to an arcade? I try and swerve them, to be honest. Like, I find it all a little bit. You know the noise in that? Yeah. Not really for me. You an arcade man? Yeah, I was. Yeah. But you know where I'm lethal though? I'll tell you where you wouldn't beat me. You might beat me on a paddle court. You know that whack-a-mole? You know when the mole pops up? Yeah. Mate, I'm like a snake with my reflexes. Like the ones that you play like that. Like sitting on the motorbike or whatever. Yeah. I quite like those interactive games. You know, my time prices. I don't know if that's been a thing, but the God knows unbelievable. What's your favourite thing about the season? To download the Talksport biggest podcast out every single day. I forget. Joe, I'm buzzing. Don't turn on it. Lovely, Joe. I'll tell you what, we're going to finish with this morning's breakfast show, and Andy Goldstein and Gazzy and Bon Lahore were discussing their biggest fears. But I can't go in the sea, or I don't know what's underneath me. My feet will touch the floor. Yeah. I'll go in. But if you have like a life jacket on, you just bang them in. Yeah. Well, I reckon what happens, mate, when human beings go in the sea. Yeah. You said human beings.
I hope you like this video about this small pocket size radio from Vanica, the Hong Kong made, 1975. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.